Bitcoin is going to 210k here. We are in some massive profits on our trades. Ethereum is heading towards the $6,000 we have been predicting here. Bitcoin dominance is falling pretty hard and we exactly called this next XRP move, and the others dominance is about to explode. But first of all, please make sure to follow me over on X and subscribe on my YouTube channel and like this video if you love those daily update videos. And let's dive right away into the chart for now, because what we can see is Bitcoin is about to hit the 210k anytime soon here, because what we can see is we had a long time of accumulation. When Bitcoin broke out, we saw the first time a 200% move towards the upside. Then we saw consolidation here and we saw a clear breakout and a perfect retest here. And we saw a massive pump towards the upside of approximately $100,000. And exactly that is happening right now. We saw a consolidation phase. We saw a perfect retest here. And now we are currently pushing towards that 100% mark. And that will bring Bitcoin towards a 210k here. And I am pretty convinced that this chart is pushing up way and way higher here, and that this is the bull market top here. So this would be a massive profit here for everyone. Also, over on my trade sale, we can see that I'm currently in a 110k Bitcoin long, and I just entered this and I'm in a minor loss here. But you can see that if I post those daily updates again, that this trade will run in a very nice profit in the future. Also, you can see that I've been opening up some pretty big altcoin trades, and we can see that we are currently 17k in profit on Pepe, 10k in profit on Optimism, 15k in profit on ADA, and just 2k profit on Ondo. And what we can see is that we currently locked in on 120k over on Ethereum. We are currently flipping this account from a 60k account towards 300k right now, and this is massive, and I am doing it all live here. So for now, let's dive into the Ethereum chart, because we saw a massive expansion towards the upside. But is this the end of Ethereum? I really don't think so. Of course, we are heading towards some resistance here, and this is something you really want to take some profits off the table. But this power of 3 pattern, I'm really convinced that this will push us towards a 6k Ethereum or even a 6.5k Ethereum. And this is the target for this pattern. I really think that Ethereum will hit 10k by the end of this bull market, and we are currently starting here. And of course, we saw a big pump towards the upside, but we still haven't met our price targets, and this will cause for a massive pump in Ethereum in the future of approximately 70% here. And why I do think so, and that is one very important chart here, is the Bitcoin dominance. What we can see is we created resistance on the top side and we created support on the lower side, and this is a squeeze momentum phase, and that will cause for a breakout towards either the upside or the downside. But now we can see that the Bitcoin dominance is breaking down exactly as predicted here, and the target of this wedge is approximately at the 54% mark, and that will cause for a massive dump towards the downside for the Bitcoin dominance chart, which will cause for a massive pump for Ethereum and other altcoins. And this is why I am very, very bullish on my Ethereum and altcoin positions here, and that is why I am opening up these positions. And if markets go down here, I am very, very convinced to open up some very big positions on other altcoins, because I think that this is our sign to get into these altcoins. And also an altcoin I predicted very, very nice here is XRP. What we can see is I posted about this very chart here over on our X page, and what I tweet about it was XRP breakout locked in, 2x is loading, don't say you weren't warned. And I literally posted this trade over on 7th of July, and what we can see is this is exactly the same chart. I tweeted about it right over here, and what we can see is that price pumped 55% afterwards. I literally gave you this alpha about this XRP setup, so please make sure to follow me over on my X page to never miss such move like this. And also please make sure to follow me over on my YouTube page, because we aren't done here, because the other dominance chart we can see is that we have accumulation, also the capitulation, and the expansion towards the upside. This is exactly what we have been seeing here in 2019-2020. And we are currently repeating history here over on the others dominance chart, because we had accumulation. Now we saw capitulation, and the expansion needs to follow. So we are currently getting out of the capitulation space here, but that means that we can pump 300% towards the upside on the others dominance chart, and this will mean that altcoins will pump very, very hard here, and we will make such very big profits here. So please lock in over on those altcoins and over on the charts, because crypto is about to explode anytime soon here. And that was it for today's video. Please make sure to follow me over on my X page, because I'm literally sharing alpha right over here. Also, when I'm entering a trade, I am literally pushing it over on X. So the long I am currently in on Bitcoin, I literally pushed it on my X page. So if you followed me, you wouldn't miss this entry. Also, please make sure to subscribe over on my YouTube channel to never miss a daily update once again, because I'm literally talking about the markets here every single day, and when I'm in a trade, when I'm closing a trade, I am discussing it right over on my YouTube channel and also in these crypto daily update videos. So please make sure to follow me over on those socials, and I will see you tomorrow by a brand new crypto daily update video.